Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to raise a support ticket in Shopify for any issues you might encounter. So, let's get started. First, you have to log into your Shopify account. And to do so, just go to your web browser and open a new tab and search for shopify.com. Now, once the website appears, click on Login. If you haven't already logged in, just enter your account credentials, or in your case you haven't already created an account, create one. It's very easy. You can even link it to your Google account, and this will facilitate, will make the process very easy. Now, after logging into your Shopify store, go to the Shopify Help Center at help.shopify.com. You can type in here help.shopify.com here. Now, the second step is to navigate to contact support. While this page is opening, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Contact Support. This will guide you through the available support options. You can click here. You can even use this tab to have a conversation with the AI responsible for resolving the issues here. Now, the third step is to choose your issue. Select the topic related to your issue from the list. You may have to go through some prompts to narrow it down to the specific problem you're facing. You can choose any any subject, any problem here. There are a lot of options. Now, the fourth step is to submit a support ticket. After selecting your issue, you'll be given options to contact support via chat, email, or phone. If you choose email, fill out the required fields, describe your issue in details, and submit the ticket. Now, for the fifth step, you have to play the waiting game. You'll receive a confirmation email with your ticket number. Keep an eye on your inbox for a response from Shopify support team. They usually answer right after uh, you send the email within a day or two. Now, to conclude, you've successfully raised a ticket in Shopify. This will help you solve all your issues or problems and troubles with the troubleshooting. If you like this video and found it helpful, please feel free to like and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next tutorial.